Hey, what's up guys, this is Rajesh and you're watching Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about components in ReactJS. Okay, so before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon, because when I'll upload a new video you'll get the notification first. Okay, so if you want to learn the React from the basics, then please watch this complete playlist. In the first video I have give a intro about ReactJS, and in the second you can see the environment setup, then how to create your first app using React.js. Then you will get a understanding about JSX and the difference between JSX and JS. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss about components. So what is component? So component is a small pieces of code which we can use multiple times. Okay, so in the previous video we have saw how to use JSX in React, and you can see here is our code in this source folder index.js, and I have add this style.css file. So first of all, run the project by entering npm start and your project will be run successfully. Here you can see this is a car, and if we want this car multiple times, suppose I want this same car again multiple times below this, then what we can do, we can write this same code again and again. We just remove these two lines of code from here and wrap this inside this div. Now if I save this, you can see here one car. Okay, now if I copy and paste this code again and again and save it. Okay, just remove this h1, the same card is showing again and again by writing this same code. But we can avoid this writing the same code again, so we can use component here to avoid writing the same code again and again. Okay, so to do that, what we can do here, just write here a function and give here the name of the function. Suppose the name of the function is my card. Okay, and start with capital letter. So inside this return, so what will return here, will return these lines of code. Okay, just copy this and paste it here and remove this same code from here. Okay, and remove this line also. Okay, just save it, and you can see nothing is showing here. Why? Because we have write our function that is my car, but we have not used it. So to use this, we can write here the component. So this is our car component, so we can use this car component here. So just write here your component that is my car. Okay, and then save it, and you can see your car is here. And if you want to show this car multiple times, then just copy this car and paste it here and save it, and you can see all the cars are showing here. So by using this component, we avoid to write the same code again and again. We have to write only one component, and inside this component we have to write the code only once, and we have used this car component when it is required. Okay, so we have to write this component inside this index.js. So if we want, we can use this outside of this file. So to write the component outside of this file, just go to the source folder and right click here and then new file, and then give the name of your component, and the component name is my car.js. Now copy this code from here. So we'll copy this car component and this subs, that is this variable. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here, and remove this notification date and full year because we don't need this. Okay, so now your card is ready. Now we have to export it. So how we can export it, just write here export default, and then the name of your card. What is the name of your card? And then write your card name, and your card name is my card. Okay, and then just save it. And here we'll remove this card. Just comment it and remove this, and here we'll import the card. So to import the card, just write here import, and you can see the size on my card. Okay, just write here my card from my card. Okay, so we have imported the card, and now we can remove this code from here. And now if we save this, you can see there is an error. So here you can see in the line number 9 there is an error, that is import in the body of the module reorder to top import. So we have to write this line of code first. Okay, so just cut it from here and write it here. Okay, and then save it, and you can see at the output, that is my card. It is showing one time. And if we copy this my card and paste it here and save it, and you can see our card is showing 2 times, as we have write here the card 2 times. Okay, now we'll see the file structure of component in a standard method. Okay, so you can see here in the index.js there are many things like my car component and some h1 tag with class name and variable. Okay, so we don't want these things here. So index.js will be very simple. There will be only one component, and the name of the component is app. Okay, so first of all, inside this source folder we'll create another folder. Right click here and then new folder, and then give a folder name component. So inside this component folder we'll write all our components here. Okay, so here you can see there is only one component, that is my card. Okay, so this component will be inside this component folder. Okay, just move this from here to this component folder, and now you can see my card.js, this component is moved to this component folder, and this gives some error because of missing path. Okay, now inside this source folder we'll create a new component, that is app.js. Just write here app.js. Okay, now we'll create a component like this my card. Okay, so just copy all these things from here and paste it inside this app.js, and here the name of the component is app. Just write here app. So this is the app component, and inside this app component we'll import all the other components from this component folder. So if there is some component in this component folder, we'll import that component into this app.js, and inside this index.js we'll import only this app.js. So this my car component will be import to this app.js, and this app.js will be import to this index.js. Okay, so here just cut this div from here and paste it inside this return. Now here we'll remove all the things and remove this div, and here will be only app component, and app is imported from app. So just save it and save this app.js, and you can see some error, that is this name is missing. Okay, and we have not import this card, so just import this card first. Just write here import my card from component my card. Okay, and write here name is input output campus, and save it, and you can see it's compiled successfully and it's showing the output, but all the designs have gone. So we have not import the style.css. Okay, here we have not used the style, so this style.css. So to use this style.css, just import this style.css here. Okay, just write here before this const import ./style.css and save it, and you can see all the styles are here. Okay, so far what we have done here, we have write index.js, and in this index.js we have write only one component, that is app. Okay, and just go to this app, and in this app component we have import another component, that is my card. So we have import this component and other additional codes here, like this heading 1 we have write this inside this app component. Okay, and in this source folder there is another folder, that is component, and inside this component folder we have write our car component. Okay, and inside this car component there is nothing but a simple card. Okay, so in this way we can use components in ReactJS. So hope you understand how to use component in ReactJS in a very simple way. So still, if you have any doubts or questions or queries, then please comment down below, and please like the video, and in the next video we'll discuss about props in ReactJS in a very simple way with some very basic example. Okay, so don't miss that video. So till then, take care.